Hi, we are back, and now the clock is ready with minutes. Okay, so let's revise the previous things which we have done in the previous video, and then we will go to the minutes. Okay, so okay, Moksha, in which direction clock moves? Show me here. Yeah, what is that direction called? Clockwise direction, right? Clockwise direction. Okay, now I will ask you only hours first. Okay, I'm not going to ask you about minutes. Okay, you have to just answer, you just have to answer only hours. Okay, only hours you have to say. Yeah, how many hours?
7 hours.
How many hours?
9 hours.
How many hours?
3 hours.
How many hours?
5 hours.
Great. Now you have to join the minutes also. Okay, so wherever this minute hand will point, you have to read that minute also. Okay, so now Moksha, tell me how many hours and how many minutes. First you have to read the hour, then you have to read the minutes.
10 hours. 35 minutes.
How many hours and how many minutes? Here. Hours and minutes.
45 minutes and 3 hours.
Great. This one, how many? Tell me this time.
8 hours and 30 minutes.
Great job. Tell me the time now.
12 hours and 35 minutes.
Good. Now. Yes. Tell me this time.
2 hours and 40 minutes.
Okay. Great job, Moksha. You will keep practicing this. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.